Hello, this is Braaksma with Farm Real Estate powered by Real Estate Center. And today I'm showing you a nice modern dairy farm just south of Leduc. This is the freestyle barn built in 2019 and a capacity of 86 stalls and can be expanded to about 118 stalls. This barn features a 3-row barn and it has one feed paddock. In 2022, they added a robotic milking system and it's a double food box system called MRD2 from Bomedic. And the ventilation is natural ventilation, ISO curtains, and chimneys. And it features 2 alley sprinklers for efficient manure management. There's a cement wall lagoon for approximately 872,000 gallons, which is about 140 to 160,000. And this is the milk tank, which is 2,700 gallons with a buffer. And then we have the fully insulated shop, which was built in 2016. It has a nice workspace inside, but it also has living quarters inside. And then behind me leaves the modular home, which was from 2012 and has 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. It's a nice, spacious modular home. So this was the farm south of Leduc with the yard side of approximately 19 acres and an extra 160 acres across the road. So a great setup for a starter or if you need expansion. If this is of your interest, feel free to give me a call, Braaksma 780-446-3006. And thank you and hope you enjoyed our little video.